Welcome back once more to my channel, guys. It's to MOSHEH TV here again. So today we're gonna be giving you the latest update we have concerning the ongoing construction of Awka shopping mall. But before we dive into the full video, though, what I have here is just a few clip. um for now they don't allow filming of this particular location, even though the day I visited this particular location, I think this kind of is not an old video though, because I filmed this, I think Friday, a week today is when I got this video. So but actually when I visited there, they did not allow me to make a video because they said for now it's not allowed. According to them, they say the project is a PPP project, that is private public partnership or whatever. So this is gonna be my last a kind of my last update concerning this project, unless I keep on going and finally, you know they finally allowed us to make a video, then we can proceed. So they asked me to even delete the one I got already, that I visited, but when I was going out, I managed to get these few ones that I'm about to give you guys. So, and I'm doing this for those asking for the latest update concerning the shopping mall. So according to what they briefed me, they said the people handling the project is Ansepa or what and what not. So, and it's not everything that I'm going to be disclosing though. So let me just give you a little update of what I have. You're gonna be seeing some of them on this video. Is not a full video. If you check online, you're gonna see others like I think Blessing Godwin or whatever. There's a video he made about the place 6 months ago, I think, where he also mentioned the same challenge. But somebody like Younger Channel and the others, they have been, having their way in. So that is just it. So, according to what I saw online on the other information on my table, the project is going to be completing in March this year, March 2025, according to the you know Mr. Mike Okoye, the Anambra Investment Promotion and Protection Agency, the managing director, said he's going to be completing the project by March this year, and the shopping mall is aimed at creating about a total of 700 jobs when completed, and the rest, and he's going to be turning Awka from a departure lounge to a destination hub or whatever. So this particular shopping mall, for those who are yet to know, this particular shopping mall is located along that Agwaka axis. Once if you are coming from Zix Avenue, getting to pass the Kwame down to that roundabout where blacksmith somebody was erected, statue of blacksmith somebody was erected. Then if you get through there a little bit, moving down, you're gonna see this shopping mall is opposite one British school like that. You're gonna be seeing this shopping mall before you even get to a kind of Agwoka roundabout or whatever, then before ICC. So is within that area, and from the looks of things, when this project is completed, it's gonna boost the area. That area will be open up for more businesses and the rest. So for now, the area is a kind of bushy and the rest. So from time, from as time goes on, the area will start developing, because I believe by the time this project is completed, it will definitely boost the area. So it's not very far from the ICC, and inside the ICC you find the ongoing construction of the 10-story building and the rest. So it's gonna boost this area. Watch this video through and see the whole update for yourself. For this particular video you are watching by now, more new things would have been added, because I said I I captured this video last week Friday, so by now most of these designs you see they are doing the at the outside would have been completed. So the launch is a very big one. It's a very big and massive one, but what I could not get clearly is the some of the demarcation they make there. I was yet to kind of know where the main entrance gate will be and the rest. So but I'm seeing it as some part of it we're gonna be used as maybe a beautification or a car park or something. Then from the car park side you're gonna be heading to where the shopping mall is located, the main building. So I think they are demarcating it from the car park or something. Maybe I don't know if it is car park actually, but it's being demarcated from something. There's where is the place is being done. So when it's completed we're gonna be heading back there to see everything for ourselves and also give you guys update. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the thumb up button, and don't forget to also click on the notification bell, and to will have any other update for you guys. And if you have more information concerning this shopping mall, you can also give us via the comment sections. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again. Peace out.